Welcome to Stories in Color. Today we are going to draw a hen. First, let's start with the head and the comb. Draw a small round shape for the head. On top of the head, draw a comb. The comb looks like soft round waves. It sits proudly on the hen's head. Next, draw the eyes and the beak. Add one small kind eye, then draw a short pointed beak. The hen looks calm and friendly. Now it's time to draw the body. Under the head, draw a big oval shape. The body is round and full. This hen is strong and happy. Add the wings and legs. Draw a small wing on the side of the body. Then draw two thin legs under the body. The hen is standing quietly. Now we color the drawing. You can color the hen brown, white or yellow. Color the comb red and the beak yellow. Take your time and enjoy the colors. At the end, let's add a chick. Next to the hen, draw a small round chick. Add tiny eyes and a little beak. The chick stays close to its mother. Color the chick yellow and white. Now your picture is full of warmth and love. Well done! You have drawn a hen and her little chick. See you next time in Stories in Color. Please subscribe.